Ready to send money home quickly and easily from the Czech Republic. First, download the Taptap Send app from your app store. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll see a clean interface designed for straightforward money transfers. Tap the Send Money button to begin. From there, you'll select the country you want to send money to. Let's say you're sending to Ghana. Type in Ghana in the search bar and tap on the country. Next, you'll input the amount you want to send. The app will automatically show you the equivalent value in your selected currency using up-to-date exchange rates. You will also see the fee information at this stage. Now select how your recipient will receive the money. You can choose from options such as cash pickup, mobile money, or directly to their bank account. Options do vary depending on the country. Carefully enter your recipient's details. You'll need information like their full name, phone number, and bank details. If you are sending to their bank account, double-check these details. Accuracy is crucial for a successful transfer. Choose your payment method. You will be able to pay by credit card or debit card. Once you have selected your method and provided the necessary card information, review the transaction details, including the amount sent, the exchange rate, and any fees. Finally, confirm your transaction. Tap the Confirm button. Taptap Send will process your transfer, and both you and the recipient will receive a notification when the money is sent. Congratulations! You've successfully sent money using Taptap Send from the Czech Republic.